बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम क़ाल रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। Welcome to learning math skills with Kashif. So today our topic is exercise 1.5, and the important things we learn today, first of all, what is determinant, what is singular matrix, what is non-singular matrix, what is adjoint, and the most important is multiplicative inverse. How we will find the multiplicative inverse. So let's start. सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं what is determinant. Determinant, this is your matrix. So what is the sign of determinant? When you change this into determinant, you will write in this way. That is called a determinant, and this is the way to write the determinants. Basic difference between determinant is matrix is that we will expand determinant, we can't expand the matrix. Simple. और इसको आसान लफ्ज़ों में अगर आप देखें तो हमने सिर्फ ये जो कर्व वाली ब्रैकेट्स हैं इनको हमने स्ट्रेट कर दिया है, तो इट कन्वर्ट्स इनटू द डिटर्मिनेंट. सो हाउ कैन यू फाइंड द डिटर्मिनेंट? Simply you will multiply its diagonals, means -1 multiplied by 0, -1 multiplied by 0, and other diagonals 2 multiplied by 1, and the signs between them is always we will put minus. This factor, keep in mind, the signs between them will come minus. Once again, we will first multiply this diagonal -1 into 0, and secondly we will multiply this diagonal 2 into 1. Now you can solve easily. -1 zeros are 0, -2 ones are 2, that is equal to -2. That is the value of its a determinant. Look at another example. What will we do first? B determinant is equal to 1, 2, 3, -2. So how can you find its determinant? You will multiply 1 into -2, 1 into -2, and minus 2 into 3 in this way, right? So 1 into 2, -2, and plus minus 3 2s are 6. Your answer is -8. So in this way you can find the determinant of a matrix. Now the second thing is, we done this. The second thing is singular and non-singular. Both are interlinked with each other. Even it's interlinked with its determinant. अगर कोई आपसे पूछे is this a matrix singular or non-singular, तो you have to find first its determinant. यानी कि अगर आपसे कोई पूछे कि ये सिंगुलर है या नॉन सिंगुलर है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपने उसका डिटर्मिनेंट निकालना है. इफ द डिटर्मिनेंट इज इक्वल टू 0, then we call that matrix is a singular matrix. If determinant is not is equal to 0, then we said it is a non-singular matrix. Means first step हम सारे यही करेंगे. We will find the determinant. If we get answer is equal to 0, then we call it is a singular matrix. If I ask you, is this a matrix singular or non-singular? It's a non-singular matrix because its determinant is -2. Similarly, this matrix is also a non-singular matrix because its determinant is also not is equal to 0. So let's do these two more questions in the similar way. A determinant is equal to 3, 2, 6, 4. You will multiply in this way. 3 into 4 minus 2 into 6. 3 4s are 12, minus 6 2s are 12, that is equal to 0. 0 means which matrix is this one? This matrix is a singular matrix. This matrix is a singular matrix. And this is the question. Is this the matrix singular or non-singular? So now come to the second question. Again change this into determinant. 5 minus 2 minus 10 and 4, multiply 5 into 4 minus 2 into minus 10, 5 fours are 20, minus minus plus, and plus when again multiply with minus it comes negative. So 10 twos are 20, again it is 0, so it is also a singular matrix. So it is also a singular matrix. Now I think it's clear to you what is determinant, what is singular, and what is non-singular matrix. So now only two things are left: adjoint of a matrix and multiplicative inverse. What is adjoint? Adjoint means we will interchange the place of these two diagonal elements, means 1 instead of 5, 5 instead of 5. हम इन दोनों की जगह चेंज कर देंगे और इन दोनों मैट्रिक्स की हम साइन चेंज कर देंगे. मीन्स इफ यू फाइंड द एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए, you can write we will change the place of these two elements entries -5 and 1, and we will change the signs, not the place, only change the sign in this diagonal. This is positive, so it means it will come negative. This is positive, so it will come negative. That is called adjoint of a matrix. In this way we can find adjoint of a matrix. Now the last thing is multiplicative inverse. All these three things used to find the multiplicative inverse. How we will use these three things in multiplicative inverse? Let's see the next question. So I write question number 3 part 1, and we have to find its multiplicative inverse, and this multiplicative inverse used in next exercise also, and mostly the long questions comes related to this multiplicative inverse or from the next exercise. So it's very important, but it's very easy. You already learned determinant, singular, non-singular and adjoint. Now you have to learn how to find the multiplicative inverse. So for finding the multiplicative inverse, first we will repeat all that steps. First we will find the determinant. So what's its determinant? As you know, we will multiply this one, -1 into 0, place minus, and 2 into 3, this one. So 0 minus 6 is equal to -6, which is not equal to 0. What does it mean? It's a singular matrix. It's a non-singular matrix. If it is 0, then it is a singular matrix, and the multiplicative inverse of singular matrix never exists. So it means it is a condition that if you find the multiplicative inverse of any matrix, the matrix should be non-singular. So next thing is, what is we have to find the adjoint. What is adjoint? Adjoint of matrix A. What you did in the adjoint, if you remember, we will change the place of these two elements, means 0 and -1, and we will change the sign of these two entries. So that is your adjoint of A. So now the final step, what is multiplicative inverse? We will write multiplicative inverse in this way. This is your multiplicative inverse. Now how you find it? Simple. Adjoint of A divided by A determinant, or you can write in this way, 1 over A determinant multiplied by adjoint of A. Both formulas are same. Determinant always written in the denominator, but in this case students got confused, so I always preferred to use this formula, 1 over A determinant multiplied by adjoint of A. Now what is your A determinant? That is -6. It means 1 over -6 multiplied by adjoint of A, this one, 0, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. So that's all. In the last step, you can multiply this value with the each value inside the matrix. What we get is when we multiply 0, it comes 0. This minus will change all the signs. 3 ones are 3 and 3 over 6. Again this is minus 2 over 6. Minus minus plus and 1 over 6. These two values we can simplify. So your final answer is 0, 1 over 2, 1 over 3 and 1 over 6. This is the way you can find your multiplicative inverse. So look at another example. I write two more questions from this same question and we have to find the multiplicative inverse. So what is the first step? First step is find the determinant. So just see determinant, minus 2, 3, 6 and minus 9. Multiply this one, minus 2 into minus 9, minus 3 into 6, minus minus plus, 9 twos are 18, minus 18, that is equal to 0. What does it mean? It is a singular matrix, so its multiplicative inverse does not exist. Simply you will write a line, it is a singular matrix, so its multiplicative inverse does not exist, and you will get full marks. So come to the next question. It is a fraction form, so घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है. We will follow all the steps, even the values in fraction form. First what we'll do, we will do d determinant, 1 over 2, 1, 3 over 4 and 2. So how do you find 2 into 1 over 2 minus 1 into 3 over 4? It will cut 1 minus 3 over 4. So how can you solve this? It's a class 6-7 questions, you know. First find the denominator. Okay, 4 ones are 4, minus 3 is equal to 1 over 4. 1 over 4 is your determinant. So it means it is a non-singular matrix, means its multiplicative inverse we can find. So what will next? Next we will find the adjoint. Adjoint of matrix D. What is adjoint? What we did in the adjoint, we will change these two places, 2 and 1 over 2, and we will change the signs of these two diagonals entries, and at the last we have to find its D inverse. So D inverse is equal to 1 over A determinant multiplied by adjoint of A, adjoint of D, because its matrix name is D, so we will write here D determinant. So what is your value? 1 over 1 over 4 multiplied by 2 minus 3 over 4 minus 1 and 1 over 2. This is 1 over 4 in the denominator. When it will multiply, we will change this into reciprocals, means 4 multiplied by 2 minus 3 over 4 minus 1 and 1 over 2. Now you can multiply 4 with the each value and you will get 4 twos are 8, minus 4 ones are 4. When you multiply 4 with this one, this 4 with cuts with this one, and minus 3 is left. When you multiply 4 with 1 over 2, 2 twos are 4, 2. So that is your required multiplicative inverse of this part. So alright, last question of this exercise, question number 6. In this question, AB is given to you and you have to prove AB inverse and B is equal to B inverse and A inverse. So I write left hand side and right hand side. We will prove both sides and our answer should be the same. So on the left hand side we have AB inverse. AB inverse means first we have to find the AB. What is A? That is 4 minus 1, 0 and 2 multiply with minus 4, minus 2, 1 and minus 1. So when we are multiply, as you know, this row with this column, this row with this column. So simply tail with tail and head with head. Minus 4 fours are 16 plus 0 ones are 0. Then again tail with tail, 4 twos are minus 8 plus 0 ones are 0. Now with this tail with this one, minus 1 with multiply this minus 4, it will come positive 4 plus 2 ones are 2. Again 2 ones are 2 and minus 2 ones are 2. So we will get minus 16, minus 8, 6 and 0. Now we have to find the multiplicative inverse of AB. So as you know, what we have to find first? We have to first find AB determinant. That is minus 16, 6, minus 8 and 0. And how you find? Multiply in this way and then this way. Minus 16 into 0 minus 6 into minus 8. So 16 zeros are 0 plus 48 is equal to 48 is your determinant. So it means it's a non-singular matrix. We can find its inverse. So what is the next step? As you know, adjoint of A, B. Adjoint of AB. What we do in adjoint? We will change its place and we will change the sign of these two elements. 0, minus 16, plus 8 and minus 6. This is your adjoint of AB. Now what is the formula for inverse? As we did in the previous question, AB inverse is equal to 1 over AB determinant multiplied by adjoint of AB. Right? So what is determinant of AB? That is 48. 1 over 48 multiplied by 0, 8, minus 6 and minus 16. When we multiply 1 over 48 with each entry, we will get, this will 0, then 8 over 48 minus 6 over 48 and minus 16 over 48. Got it? So now you can simplify. 8 ones are 8 6 are 48, 6 8s are 48. Your answer is 0. 1 over 6 minus 1 over 8 and minus 1 over 3. So this is the answer of your left hand side. Now come to the right hand side. Right hand side we get B inverse and A inverse. Means we have to separately find the B inverse, then we will find A inverse, then we will multiply the both answers of the inverse. So let's start. First B inverse. So we need B determinant. Minus 4, minus 2, 1 and minus 1. 4 into minus 1 minus 1 into minus 2. 4 ones are minus 4 and plus 4. Minus minus plus 2. 4 twos are 6. It means we can find its inverse. So what is the next step of B? Adjoint of B. And you know now what we do in adjoint. We change the places of these elements. Minus 1, minus 4. Change the sign of these two elements. Now what is B inverse? B inverse is 1 over B determinant. 1 over B determinant multiplied by adjoint of B. So what is B determinant? 6 It means 1 over 6 multiplied by adjoint of B minus 1, 2, minus 1 and minus 4. सो वी लीव द क्वेश्चन हेयर, हम इसको भी यहीं पे छोड़ देते हैं, इसको हम मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करेंगे। क्यों मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करेंगे ये मैं आपको बाद में एक्सप्लेन करता हूं, पहले हम ए इनवर्स फाइंड कर लेते हैं। तो व्हाट इज ए? ए इज दिस वन, सो ए डिटर्मिनेंट इज 4, 0, minus 1 and 2. Multiply this one, 4 into 2's minus 1 into 0, 4 2's are 8 minus 0. So it means 8 is your A determinant. It means we can find the multiplicative inverse of A. So next step is adjoint of A. What is adjoint of A? Change the place 2 and 4 and change the sign of these two diagonal identities or entries. So next one is how we find the B A inverse. Simply 1 over A determinant multiplied by adjoint of A. So what is determinant? 8 means 1 over 8 multiplied by 2, 1, 0 and 4. So we will get both the inverse B inverse and A inverse. So if we multiply, अगर हम इसको 1 over 6 से इससे मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो आपका आंसर फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में चला जाएगा। 1 over 6, 1 over 6, 4 over 6 and same case सेवर 2 over 8, 1 over 8, 4 over 8 and then when we are going to multiply, जब हम मैट्रिक्स की मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आपको फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, जिसकी वजह से क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाएगा, आपकी कैलकुलेशन जो है वो थोड़ी सी मुश्किल हो जाएगी। तो उसको आसान रखने के लिए हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करते, हम यहीं से इसका बी इनवर्स ए इनवर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं। जस्ट लुक हियर, फाइनल वैल्यू जो हमने निकालनी है वो है बी इनवर्स ए इनवर्स। व्हाट इज बी इनवर्स? 1 over 6 minus 1, minus 1, 2 and minus 4 multiplied by 1 over 8, 2, 0, 1, 4. We are going to multiply these two. So simple, 1 over 6 will multiply with 1 over 8. What we get? 1 over 48. And now we will multiply this matrix with this matrix. And you know it, how to multiply now. Simply how? Means this row with this column and similarly this row with this both columns. So multiply it. 2 ones are 2 plus 2 ones are 2. Minus 1 multiplied by 0, 0 and 4 2's are 8. Minus 1 multiplied by 2, minus 2, minus 4 multiplied by 1, minus 4. This one is 0 and this one is minus 16. So now multiply 1 over 48 inside the matrix. First we will solve it. 0, minus 6, 8 and minus 16. So when we multiply it with these values, we will get 0, 8 over 48 minus 6 over 48 minus 16 over 48. So we will get the 0, 1 over 6 minus 1 over 8 and minus 1 over 3. So these both answers are same, hence this property is proved. So I hope you understand, but मैं पहले भी कह चुका हूँ कि मैथ्स देखने से नहीं आता, मैथ्स हमेशा करने से आता है। तो इस क्वेश्चन को बार बार करें, इसके साथ एक और पार्ट है दूसरा, उसको खुद करें तो आपकी बहुत अच्छी प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी, इन्वर्स निकालना आपको आ जाएगा, मल्टीप्लिकेशन की प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी। सो बेस्ट ऑफ लक, सी यू टिल नेक्स्ट लेक्चर। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।